What's up, guys? Today we're doing another unboxing on something that's a little special to me just because I've always wanted one of these and knew it would add a personalized touch to my workshop. So sit tight and let's get to unboxing. My birthday was a couple weeks ago, so I decided, you know what? I normally don't buy anything for myself. I rarely shop for myself, treat myself, so I said, you know what, let me treat myself. And I went ahead and I purchased this guy, and hopefully it comes out exactly how I wanted it. Now I think, open it up. Hopefully you guys can see this. There we go. Turn it this way so you can see what we have over here. Can you guys see this? Move you guys up a little bit closer so you guys can see. You guys can be just as excited as I am. Yeah, it's a little better. There we go. So we have our little padding. Put this off to the side. Have our little remote. And this is for our dimmer. This is mounting equipment. A power adapter and cord. I know you guys are anxious, right, to see the fun part. I'm keeping you guys in suspense. You know, they say the best is yet to come. Let's get this cut open. This here. This is very simple. It says LED. You can see it here. On the dimmer, it says LED. It has one cable. You guys see that? It says LED. So this, then the LED light itself has this prong. So this is going to go into this. And then the other one, as you guys can see, says power. So that's going to go into the power adapter. Okay, so I'm going to take the edge of the power adapter, plug this in, take our cord, plug this in. Here. And let's get some power on this bad boy. Okay. Boom. What do you guys think? Mr. T-shirt is in the building. All right, so now when this goes up on the wall, this is gonna look so dope. This looks so hot right now. I am so excited. You know what? Let me go turn off the lights. Let's see how this thing looks in the dark. Oh, that's crazy. Now that's sick. Now you guys tell me you're not gonna enjoy my videos that much more by seeing this in the background. Now, shout out to neonsignsnow.com for getting me my sign so quickly and so securely. It was packaged well, as you guys can see, and I received it safely where it wasn't broken or cracked or damaged. We plugged it up, we lit it up, we know that everything works. But you thought I was gonna let you guys go without installing this thing and letting you guys see it firsthand? Sit tight, let's get this bad boy up and on the wall.